Should be a perfect shape, a steady sea. But waves have taught me more than words, and silence spoke what I had never heard. I've fallen short, I've missed the mark. I've lit a flame, then lost the spark. But every time I break, I find another layer of my mind. I'm still learning how to breathe, how to let go, how to believe. I don't have all the answers yet, but I have time and no regret. I'm still learning how to stay, how to be soft and not afraid. Oh, oh, oh. There's no race and there's no end, just this moment now and then. I used to chase the distant light, now I sit with stars at night, not needing them to show me how, but just to feel the quiet now. I've heard the voice of doubt inside, but gave it space and watched it slide. Not every thought deserves a throne. Some truths are found when we're alone. I'm still learning how to breathe, how to let go, how to believe. I don't have all the answers yet, but I have time and no regret. I'm still learning how to stay, how to be soft and not afraid. Not behind, I am not ahead, I am just here, and that's enough.